Hello boys and girls, we are going to be working on lesson 8-2. It's on page 441. Go ahead and turn there. If you need help, have a grown-up help you get there. So I have a story that I want to share with you about these penguins, and we need to figure out, is it an addition problem or is it a subtraction problem? Remember, addition is putting together, that they're all coming together, and then subtraction is taking away. Okay, so I want you to listen to the problem, and then we need to figure out, is it addition or is it subtraction? Okay? 4 penguins play outside. 2 go into the ice cave. How many penguins are left outside? So now we need to figure out, is it 2 plus 2 equals 4 or 4 minus 2 equals 2? Which one do you think it is? Think about that. Which one do you think it could be? So in this story, I'm going to just write it down on the side here. So it says 4 penguins play outside. So that's our first number. 4 penguins play outside. Then 2 go into the ice cave. So then 2 left. That's a takeaway. 2 of them went into the ice cave. So these ones went in and they are gone. Now how many are outside the ice cave? There's 1, 2. So this story was a takeaway story because 2 of them left. So this is the correct problem. It is a takeaway story. Now we are going to keep practicing that. Okay? All right, I want you to listen to the story, and we're going to figure out if it's a adding to story or a takeaway story, an adding or subtracting. All right, so these 2 they've done for us, but we're gonna still listen to it. So the thing that I think is helpful is I write down the numbers as I hear it. So there are 4 penguins in the group. 1 more joins them. Now that word joins, that tells me that they are adding to it. That's a plus. How many penguins are there in all? So that tells me we want to know how many are there all together now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this story was an addition story because we are adding together. We are not taking away. Now let's try this one. Listen to it. I like to write down the numbers as I hear them. 5 penguins are in a group. So we have 5 penguins in a group. 1 of them leaves. Now listen to that word. He left. 1 of them leaves. So that is taking away. They are leaving. So we know that that's a subtraction. How many penguins are left? How many are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. All right, we're gonna keep practicing this. This is a really, really hard thing to figure out, and you have to listen very carefully to the words. All right, let's try it out. Okay, we're gonna look at the pictures for this. So we started with 1 cube. Okay, so we started with 1 cube all by itself. Then I see that they're putting the arrow towards it, so that means it's adding it. It's bringing it together, so 3 more plus 3 more equals how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 all together now, after we bring these purple ones into the green one. Now this one looks different because we started with how many? They're all connected. How many did we start with? 1, 2, 3, 4. We started with 4 cubes. Now this is telling me they're taking away. They're moving it away. How many are they taking away? 1, 2, 3. And since they're taking it away, that's a subtraction. So we use the minus sign. How many are left? There's 1 of them left over. Now, how about this one? This one, they're already all connected. So let's see how many were connected. 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 4 of them that were all connected, that we started with 4. Then this tells me that they're taking away how many of them? How many are they taking away? 1, 2. They're taking away 2. And since they're taking away, I know that's subtraction. It's minus. Now, how many are left? How many of these are left? There are 2 left over. All right, let's look at this one. Now this one, we started with just 2 of them. So there's 1, 2. Now this is telling me that they're bringing them together. They're adding them together. How many are they adding together? 1, 2. Since they're bringing it together, that tells me it's a plus sign. Now, how many are there going to be all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 all together. Once you finish this page, go ahead and turn it to the next. All right, I want you to try for 4 and 5. I want you to try and figure out, is it an addition problem or subtraction problem? Look at the arrows. Those will help you figure out, are they adding together or are they taking away? Okay, so for this one, number 5, I want you to first decide with this one, is it addition or is it subtraction? Okay, then for this one, I want you to make a subtraction problem. So this one is bringing it together, that's adding 2. I want you to make a subtraction problem and taking away. So you're gonna draw the circle around some and take it away. Okay, this one you might need a little bit of help from a grown-up, and that's okay. They can help you a little bit more with that one. But I want you to try 4 and 5 by this one, and this one by yourself. This is the only page that you need to post onto Seesaw. This is really tricky, so try your best, all right? And I'll see your work there.